Catherine Bernardo update. May pa-surprise birthday pa nga si Catherine. Yan, sa kanyang makeup artist, stylist na si Miss Arlene. And happy birthday. And may cake pa nga. Just a set ng someone someday. Yan, happy birthday. Yan, happy birthday kay Miss Arlene. Yan, dyan si Catherine. Yan, no? Yan, happy birthday. Okay. Sa ito pa, during taping ng Someone Someday. Yan, abangan yan. Okay, siya ni Catherine. Yan, no? Post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram.
Slowing everything down,
For TCL.
especially when the heat becomes too much. That's why I'm excited to discover how TCL is redefining comfort this summer. With TCL's TAI air conditioning technology, cooling becomes smarter, more seamless, and energy efficient, designed to adapt to real everyday living. It's not just about cooling a space. It's about creating comfort that lets you enjoy every moment. This summer, comfort feels smarter with TCL.
Yan, TCL. May sinot niya sa market. Ito pa po, KFC. Yan, ni Catherine. Ayan, no? Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.